What's up, guys, and welcome to Top Shelf Media. So I'm super excited. I finally picked up a PS5, and I wasn't even going to record today, but when I picked this up, I was like, you know what? I'm going to do an unboxing and my initial reactions video to the PS5. So I'm super excited about that. This is the bundle with Spider-Man 2, if you couldn't tell. But I got this at Best Buy, and I don't have an affiliate program through Best Buy. So if you do end up, I'll still put links down in the description. So if you do end up going and actually picking one of these up from the Best Buy website, make sure you drop a like on this video or subscribe, which would be awesome too. I'm also gonna just unbox and take a look at this headset that I got to go with the PS5. So super excited about that. Don't know if I'm gonna show any gameplay of Spider-Man 2. I'm not a video game YouTuber, so I don't know how the rights and stuff work to that, so I don't even want to deal with that. So probably won't get into that today, but like I said, initial reaction to how this thing looks, and yeah, that's basically it. Let's get into it. I can barely see over this thing, but now this is their Black Friday bundle. As far as I know, they're not doing a different, bundle or a different deal for Black Friday. They started doing their Black Friday deals early. You guys don't need to see me. You don't really care what I look like. I'll stand up. All right. So, here in the box, looks like we got our paperwork, power cord, ooh, our controller. I'm so excited about this. I've been wanting a PS5. Just like the controllers just seem so cool to me. I'm so pumped. Oh yeah. Like the haptic feedback. I'm so pumped for this. So excited. Here we go. Let's pull this off. What do we got here? Looks like the stand and the HDMI cord. So that's awesome. We got those here. Put those off to the side. I'm guessing we should have the main event right down here. Oop, it sounded like there was something else in here. Oop, there was. A USB Type-C cable, my guess is to charge the controller. Now, dun 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 dun. Try not to drop it. It's heavy. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Ooh, I almost dropped it. Yes. So I did get the disc-based version. I didn't see any digital versions with the bundle, so I usually just download games. I haven't bought a disc-based game in a number of years, but just in case I want to go back and play those games. I have kids now, so you never know when you're gonna want to use that backwards compatibility and play those old games. So look at this. That is shiny. So shiny. Sorry, I'm looking at the monitor above the camera there. So this is the PS5. We get the controller, we get our power cable, HDMI cable, charging cable for the controller, and then this should be our stand to stand it vertically. I will be standing mine vertically. I just kind of like the look, plus it's going to fit up on those floating shelves a lot better. I don't think I should have a problem with the shelves holding it. I hope. We are going to get this on the stand so I don't forget to do that. I don't really know how it goes on there. No, I'm not guessing. I'm gonna look. I'm gonna look. Hold on. So this is awesome. This comes with a screw, right? Let me move this so you can actually see what's going on here. I was like, hey, it says there's supposed to be a screw. Like, where? I didn't get a screw with it for the bottom of the PS5. You turn this, and there it is. That is awesome. That is so cool. It's right there. Grab my handy dandy screwdriver here. Also, I'm pretty sure I got this screwdriver from my grandpa. And I love this screwdriver. It's so cool because it does this. And another smaller screwdriver. And yet another one there too. So it's really cool. I just keep it in my office so that way I can always have a few sizes of a flathead screwdriver whenever I need them. But awesome. I know you guys can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to get this cap off There it goes. And they say to store this in here. I'm guessing that's what this little hole's for. That's sweet. They thought of it, man. They thought of it. I wonder how does it compare in weight to the PS4? I mean, size, that's a no-brainer. It's a huge size difference there. But weight-wise, it's definitely heavier. I would say not by much, though. I mean, just without actually like weighing it or looking up how much both of them weigh. I think as far as unboxing goes, you know, I'm gonna get it set up here in a minute. But let's take a look at this headset first. I think this is fantastic. I'm gonna get some of this garbage out of my way. Don't want to lose any, you know, pieces before I get set up. But the next question is, can I play it tonight? That's what I want to know. Also, I'm supposed to have a voucher for Spider-Man. Found it. Don't want to lose that. I'm really excited. I don't tend to get new headsets that often. I just kind of use what I have until I get a new console, and then I get a new headset. So luckily I haven't made a bad choice yet. I had Turtle Beach before this, and I know, you know, some people will say that's good, some people will say it's not, but I liked it, so I kept them. So yeah, but let's just see. This is my first Astro headset. I believe that's how it's pronounced. I have no idea. Okay. Comes packaged up real nice. We got our paperwork, our Type-C port, or our Type-C cable for charging, and the main event, this guy. Now that's a sleek looking headset. I like that a lot. I think that looks really cool. Hat hair. Yes, that is awesome. That feels so good. That's why we can't have nice things. Alright guys, well, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure you check out the things down here that I've put on screen that you can go check out. I mean, if you feel like it, you don't have to. Whatever you want to do. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and I will see you in the next video.